All right, just a quick little gee whiz thought process here. Strictly my opinion. Take it or leave it. Just did some quick calculations. They say the Earth, the ground you're standing on, at the equator is moving 1,000 miles per hour. 24,000 miles in a 24-hour period. That's 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. So you move up to where most of the United States is, give or take 600. So that's 800, almost 900 feet per second that the ground is moving. Now imagine you're on a treadmill. Treadmill's moving only, 10, 12 miles an hour? Now imagine that treadmill moving 800, 900 feet per second. You don't think that would affect your everyday decisions? You jump for a half a second in the air. The ground below you moved 400 feet. You threw a ball in the air. That was, hang time, 2 seconds. That's 1,600 feet, 1,700 feet, your golf shot. So you have to adjust your golf shot 1,700 feet, left or right. If you're going east to west, the ground is either coming or going away from your target at this ridiculous speed. Does that make sense to anybody? It doesn't make sense to me if you think about it. If you really think about it. But I'm sure I'll get some viewers that won't think about it and they're going to have an emotional reaction. My favorite excuse is the earth doesn't spin, it rotates or something. I've heard many excuses for the globe and how they use like word magic and but I mean, you would have to, you couldn't throw a ball to your buddy without adjusting hundreds of feet left, right, forward or back. It's ridiculous, and I feel sorry for anybody that thinks the ground we're standing on is moving incredibly fast. And you feel nothing. You notice nothing. There's no experiment that can prove the earth is moving. The lights in the sky do not dictate the floor. Just because my ceiling fan is twirling on my ceiling doesn't mean the floor is moving around the ceiling fan. So if you really ever wonder why people start believing that we don't live on a spinning ball, it's because of these numbers right here. And I just don't buy it anymore. Sorry. Not buying it. Come up with any excuse, but here's the math. Here's the math for your globe model, and I'm just not buying it. Sorry.